Hey, fellow travelers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Travel Smart, the ultimate guide to making your journeys extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or gearing up for your first trip, these tips are here to ensure you have the best travel experience ever. I'm Colum, and let's dive right into our ultimate tips for smart and savvy travel. Tip 1. Plan ahead. Tip number 1 is a game changer. Plan ahead. Research your destination thoroughly. Create a detailed itinerary and discover must-visit attractions. Consider local customs and explore transportation options. Planning ahead ensures you make the most of every moment on your adventure. Tip 2. Pack light. For tip number 2, lighten the load. Pack only the essentials and versatile clothing items. Trust me, your back will thank you later when you're not lugging around heavy bags. We'll share some packing hacks to make your journey hassle-free. Tip 3. Keep important documents handy. Tip number 3 is all about staying organized. Keep your passport, visa, and other necessary paperwork in a travel document holder. This simple trick will save you time and stress during security checks, ensuring a smooth travel experience. Tip 4. Stay connected with a portable charger. Tip number 4 is a lifesaver. Stay connected. Your phone is your lifeline, so keep it fully charged no matter where you are. We'll introduce you to some of the best portable chargers to keep you powered up on the go. Tip 5. Embrace local culture. Tip number 5 adds a cultural touch. Embrace local culture. Learn a few phrases in the local language, respect traditions, and indulge in local cuisine. It's all about immersing yourself in the true spirit of travel. Tip 6. Stay hydrated and prioritize self-care. Tip number 6 focuses on your well-being. Stay hydrated and prioritize self-care. Travel can be exhausting, so take the time to rest, drink plenty of water, and make your health a priority. We've got some self-care tips to keep you feeling refreshed on your journey. Tip 7. Stay safe by being cautious. Tip number 7 is a must. Stay safe by being cautious. Watch out for pickpockets. Be aware of your surroundings and always trust your instincts. Your safety should be a top priority, and we'll guide you on how to navigate new environments smartly. Tip 8. Capture memories. Tip number 8 is all about capturing the magic. Take plenty of photos and videos to treasure the moments you'll never want to forget. We'll share some creative ways to document your travels and make those memories last a lifetime. Tip 9. Master transportation hacks. Let's roll into tip number 9, mastering transportation hacks. Whether you're navigating public transport, renting a car, or hailing ride shares, we've got insider tips to save you time and money. From booking in advance to using local apps, we'll ensure you glide through your journey with ease. Tip 10. Tech essentials for smart travel. Now, on to tip number 10. Tech essentials for smart travel. Discover must-have apps for translation, navigation, and currency conversion. Plus, we'll introduce you to the latest travel gadgets that will elevate your experience. Stay tuned to travel smarter, not harder. Tip 11. Engage with locals. Tip number 11 is all about creating meaningful connections. Engage with locals. Discover hidden gems, local recommendations, and untapped experiences by interacting with the community. We'll guide you on how to break the ice and immerse yourself in the local scene. Tip 12. Flexible itineraries for spontaneity. Embrace spontaneity with tip number 12. Flexible itineraries. Leave room for unexpected discoveries and go off the beaten path. We'll show you how to strike the perfect balance between planning and allowing room for the serendipitous moments that make travel truly magical. Tip 13. Budget-friendly eats and accommodations. Saving money without sacrificing quality. That's the focus of tip number 13. Discover budget-friendly eateries and accommodations that offer an authentic experience without breaking the bank. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll still indulge in the local flavors. Tip 14. Sustainable travel practices. As responsible travelers, tip number 14 introduces sustainable travel practices. Learn how to minimize your environmental impact, support local communities, and contribute to the preservation of your favorite destinations. Let's make our journeys not only memorable, but also sustainable. Thanks for tuning in to Travel Smart Ultimate Tips for the best trip ever. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and smart tips. Until next time, happy travels, adventurers.